Hello, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about the basics of Python 3. So first, what is Python 3? Python 3 is the latest version of the Python programming language. It was released in 2008 and it is a major update to Python 2 with many new features and improvements. So first, for the basic programming, we are going to learn about how to print the hello world. So, in Python, it's just using the print function with inside the arguments is hello world. So, the output of this must be hello world. And then next, we are going to learn about variables. Here in variables, we are going to learn how to store a number inside a variable. So we store it like this: x equals to 10, and then if you want to check that variable, we just need to print it. And then we are going to learn about how to do operations with variables and numbers. So here is like this: if we have x equals to 10 and y equals to 20, we are going to how to sum up is x plus y, and then we train it to get the result. Next, Python also have a list. That is, if we want to create a list, we just going to use the syntax array equals to square brackets 1 to 3, and for the data inside the list, it's feel free to use it. Feel free to customize the data type and the data. So here, because it's just an example, I'm going to use 1, 2, and 3. So we can access that array using the double brackets again and the index of the element. So and Python, the index starts from 0. So this 1 here is at index 0, the 2 here is at index 1, and the 3 here is at index 2. So there's another tips here. So if you want to continue, so here is the 7th line here. What I mean is we are going to print the element from the index 1 until the end, and then so it will print it 2 because at index 1 and 3 at index 2, and then for the next line I'm going to show you how to do that reverse or backwards. So we are going to add that the same syntax, but the number is after that semicolon. So next we are going to learn about sets. What is different from sets is that sets doesn't have any duplicate number. So here I'm going to show you, because we already have an array, we could easily transform an array to a set. So s equals to set of array with the argument, and then we are going to print the set, and then we are to check is the set working, we are going to add it with the element 1, and then we are going to print it because I'm in Jupyter. So this is the syntax, and then we could also implement the set using this syntax also, and then we could print it. And then this is the for loop at Python. So it is actually for the variable, and we could use off also. And then for this example, I'm going to use the range from 1 until 10, and also from the array. Next, it's the strings. So here we have this quote to create the syntax for the string, and then we're going to print it for this example. Next, I also have additional tips, that is we could actually multiply strings, not only numbers. So here, the string we got here is A, B, and C. So if we multiply that by 4, it should be ABC, ABC, ABC for 4 times like this. And then we could also multiply an array like this. So the array 1 multiplied by 4 equals to this, an array with 1 fours, with 4 ones, yes. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation. And summary, we have learned about the basic of Python 3. So see you at my next video.